Jordan here. We are in our demo account, and what I'm going to show you here is how to turn off automatic asset. It can be something that can really get into your account and waste a lot of money, or at least at very least going to show a message to people that you may not have approved. All right, so we want to make sure these assets are going the way that you expect them to. So the easiest way to do that is to go into your account and click on assets. We're going to go in a couple of different places here to be able to see exactly what we're doing here. So the first thing is we're going to click on this guy here. 3 dots. Yeah, there's nothing there. I don't exactly know why we have this thing here, but let's add it in another set of 3 dots, and this is going to be your account setting. And here's where the magic is. Here's where you need to go in and turn things off. The only one here that I recommend you keep on is this one here. However, if you do turn it off, Google can ask you why. You can give it whatever reason you want, okay? But it is required. You do need to let them know why you turned it off. So that is that very easy thing to do. And then the other thing you're really going to want to double check on is when you go over to account settings, and you're going to want to double check this here as well for yourself is this section here called auto apply. That's the other one that you're going to want to really look at. Make sure that's turned off. There are ways to turn them off and on. You can go into the settings here. You can look at the individual ones and figure out which one maybe makes sense for you to keep on. But by and large, you're going to want to turn those off, keep them off, and you do need them off in both places, okay? If you turn them on here or turn them off here, and you don't turn off the automatic assets, you're probably still going to see those assets showing up in your account. I know, super annoying, super frustrating, a lot of clicking to be able to do that, but it's critical that you keep your eyes on those things because they can potentially waste a lot of money. All right. So there you have it. Any questions? Let me know down in the comments. Take care.